Hi, my name is Nicole McCullough. I'm the new principal at AMS Power. I've been in education for about 20 years. I've served as a classroom teacher both at middle school and high school. I've also been in administration for about 5 years now. I love being with students, but when I'm not at school, working with students and staff and families, I love just playing soccer, hanging out with my 3 boys who keep me on my toes, and if I'm not on land, I'm under the water because I'm an avid scuba diver. I'm a native of Mesa and I really love being a part of the community. Even more, I'm really excited to continue the traditions that Noah Webster has put into place and just continue that level of excellence for our students that push and drive us forward. The key lessons I've taken with me as an administrator are just to be on your toes. I think every day is so exciting because driving to work, I never know what the day is going to bring, and I love new challenges. I love meeting new people. I love helping students solve problems and grow and just become the people that they're going to be. I love working with students to help them find their potential. And then I think school is really about a time where you're kind of finding out what are my interests? What am I good at? And what do I want to explore more of? And I think that's a great time. Elementary and middle school is that time where kids really get to just find their passions and be inspired by other people. I'm really looking forward to being the new principal at AMS Power just because it's our time to come together as a community and build something amazing for students where they are taking on the time in classroom, the time to learn authentically. And I never want a kid to ask us or a student to ask us, why am I learning this? I want them to just know that it's so important to any avenue that they reach out to do for themselves. I never want a student in our care to say, oh, a door's closed and because I don't know math or I don't understand science. I want them to have all the possibilities open to them as a student. Something you should know about me is I'm always here for the community. I always want to hear what you have to share, and I always want us to build a partnership together. And through our partnership, we will do incredible things for students. When a student leaves our time here with AMS Power, what we'd like to see is that our students know that they were loved, that they were cared for, that they learned and they grew, and that we will always, always be cheering them on.